building your independence. It's all about getting started, having a vision, and realizing that that vision inside of you is just like having a child that you got to raise and take care of and nurture. And you have to get physically involved with building your vision. You know, you have to get the information needed. You have to do the practicing. You have to do the troubleshooting. You have to see what works, what doesn't work. You have to go back to the drawing board and come up with something else. It's okay. I heard a guy say that they praise me now because of the one time I made it, but no one was there when the 99 times I failed. So don't worry about not getting things right in the beginning. It's fine as long as you stay at it and you'll get better over time. The process of it, it's the process, man. Like the process of grinding, the process of building your vision, the process of putting things together, the process of saying, hey, it's products over talent. I want to build something. I want to do something. Like it's products over talent, man. Like you're gonna have to come up with it. You're gonna have to be the one who physically design what you want. Your own templates, your own ideas. You're gonna have to do it. So don't get intimidated. Just know that you want to get your hands dirty. And don't worry about how it looks like in the beginning. And if you got a vision to have certain things, it's gonna be okay. You can get everything that you want. No one is knocking you from having whatever you want, but you're gonna have to get your hands dirty first. You're gonna have to get your hog on first. You're gonna have to hustle over grounded obstacles naturally first. Just remember that. Hog on.